Welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today I'll teach you guys how to remove themes on Messenger. So right now in this group I have a theme and I will show you how you guys can remove the theme and transfer it into the default one, like the one which you have on your Messenger, which is going to look just like this. Follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now in order to remove theme on Messenger, first you want to click on the group or click on the chat where you want to change the theme. So I want to change the theme in this group called the Deno. So I will go on Deno. So this is the current theme. It's basically a World Cup theme of Australia. You can see the Australian flag at the bottom right. So in order to change it, you need to click on the name at the top. So in my case, it shows Deno, but in your case, it's going to show you your friend's name or your group. Click on it, and over here you can see this option called theme. Click on theme. Once you click on theme, you want to scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option called colors and gradient. So you want to click on the first option, and this is what it's going to look like. And this is basically what default Messenger looks like. So click on select, and where it says quick reaction, click on it. Over here you want to search for a like, and you can see the like option. First one, which is purple, click on it, and you have basically done it. As you guys can see, your Messenger is now on its default size, just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can remove themes on Messenger. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.